Hi friends, this is 5 Months Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set power key to open camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy A31. First of all, go to the settings and click on advanced features. Click on side key and turn on the button against double press. Double press. Now you go to double press side key, that is power key here, and camera will be opened. You go to press twice power button and camera will be opened. You can directly access camera now and take pictures. Again I go to the same settings, side key, and if you select second option open app, you go to set an app to open. That is, if you double press power button, that particular app will be open. See here, I have set Chrome to open, so Chrome is opened now. Web browser is opened. Chrome web browser is opened. So in this way you can easily set an app to open, or you can set camera to open. That is, you go to double press side key or power key to open camera or that particular app. That's all friends. Bye.